I want to talk about an exciting event that's coming up very soon. Now, this is different, this event. It's not really a webinar. It's not your typical boring Zoom meetings that people are tired of, but rather it's called a micro think tank.
As a survivor of a devastating series of cyber crimes committed by trusted insiders, my team and I have pivoted from victims to advocates by creating our own show and a series of micro think tanks that include the most amazing thought leaders throughout the global cybersecurity and IT communities. And the reason we came up with the idea of micro think tank, each of those words is important to execute on. One is small and intimate, and we are looking to be kind of the opposite of the myriad webinars and virtual conferences that are taking place, and to make it intimate and to have a high level of one-on-one and personal networking. The first one we're doing on June 17th is the nexus between artificial intelligence and cybersecurity from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern. Each of our thought leaders are going to give about a 20-minute overview to set the table. The live events are limited to the first 100 registrants. That's it. The first one that we're going to be having is an amazing guest, Michael Garris, who's the Senior Principal Artificial Intelligence and AI Systems Technical Advisor at MITRE. And he's also the technical advisor on the National Security Commission on artificial intelligence. In addition to, for example, Michael, they'll be hearing from Peder, Jungck, who is the VP General Manager Intelligence Solutions at BAE Systems. Hear from Dr. Chase Cunningham, the Chief Strategy Officer at Ericom Software. And he's written many books, including Cyber Warfare, Truth, Tactics, and Strategies. And Herbert Roitblat is the Chief Data Scientist at Mimecast, and he's the author of Algorithms Are Not Enough. So our attendees are going to be treated to some very high-level thought starters.
Anybody that registers, the first 25 people, I'm going to mail them a personal signed copy of my book, Cybersecurity is Everybody's Business, just for thanking them for joining the event and being a defender of the digital universe. Tell us a little bit about your mission.
Shine the light on the unsung cyber heroes who toil in anonymity, keep us safe online, at work, home, and school. And if it sounds familiar, like sort of an origin story from those of you who are Marvel fans and comic fans, it's because we also do superhero comics. The attendees are going to break into 10 small and intimate groups. Well, they'll be able to work the issues and expound on them and have their voices heard and known. Then the next step is going to be to do a teach out to the collective. And then we're going to be preparing high-level white papers and also synthesizing this information into videos that can be spread globally.